Hey everybody, it's Charmel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a low sleek ponytail look, and I've done ponytail looks before, but this is the first time I'm doing a low ponytail with completely natural hair. I big chopped back in November, so yeah, starting off, I'm going to moisturize my hair using my black Jamaican castor oil. I am working with damp hair, freshly washed and deep conditioned. Next, I'm going to use the As I Am detangling conditioner, and I'm just going to apply that throughout my hair as well. And since we're doing a low ponytail, I do like to put a part in my head. I prefer a side part, so that's what I'm doing here, just putting in a nice deepish side part. And then I'm going to just clip this first side out of the way, and it's going to also kind of train it to go in that direction. Now, since my hair is so thick, I do have to start in the back and work my way in sections. So as you see, this is my hair right here. I'm going to just make sure all the tangles are out and I can run a wide tooth comb through it with ease. So that's what I'm doing here. Then I'm going to take my favorite Eco Styler gel with the argan oil and just apply it. Now, like I said, I've done these ponytail looks before on my head. And it's pretty much the same technique. However, since I'm completely 100% natural now, it is just a little more work and I have to work in smaller sections. So I'm just brushing that first section and I'm going to put it in a ponytail to keep it in place. And then I'm going to do it again and do another section and basically repeat the same steps. So I'm going to first start by taking a wide tooth comb and making sure it's all detangled. Then I'm going to apply some gel, and I also started using a dimming brush just to kind of define my curls a little more, so that when my hair does lay, it kind of waves up. But yeah, I'm so excited that my hair is finally able to fit in a ponytail. Like I said, I big chopped in November and I transitioned for like 11 months. So I have about, a little over a year of new growth. So yeah, and I have videos where I've done this with relaxed hair, I've done it with transitioning hair, and now I'm doing it with my natural hair. And I will say I love it with my natural hair the best. It just looks the most natural. You guys will see the finished results, but it just looks the most natural to me. So yeah, after I do each section, I brush them all into that ponytail together, and this is going to help my curls and my hair just kind of form and lay all in one. And now I'm working my way. I'm going to do that first side, and like I said, I'm just repeating the same steps: detangling, applying gel, and then brushing it through. I will say with my top portions, I do have to make sure that it's smoothed and laid down really well, because these pieces at the front don't necessarily reach all the way to my ponytail. So I want to take my brush and make sure that that hair is completely smooth and laid together with the rest of the hair. And so yeah, I'm just going to continue this, and I do the exact same thing on the other side. so once I have all of my hair kind of smooth together, I'm just going to take a rubber band and put my hair into a little bun. And y'all see that hang time back there? Like, my hair is growing really nicely, and I'm really excited about my natural hair. But yeah, I'm just putting my hair in a little bun and tucking it over. And then the funnest part of it all, doing your edges, laying your baby hair. Yeah, baby hairs and your edges, they kind of work to your natural hairline, so I'm just doing mine how I like them to fall into my hairline. Now I'm going to take some wrapping paper and just tie my hair down. I've started using wrapping paper to kind of set my molds and ponytails just because it doesn't really have the dents that headscarves really leave. But I do at the end take a do-rag and just put this on my head. Now you can sit under the dryer if you like, or I like to do this at night or early in the morning and just kind of wear it all day until it's time for me to go and it's time for it to dry. But if you want to make sure it's completely dry, I do recommend sitting under a dryer. So about 8 hours later, I'm taking it off, heading out, and the wrapping paper will sometimes stick. And what I recommend doing, if you feel it sticking anywhere, find a loose area and just cut it, because if you try to kind of pull it while it's stick, you may mess up your mold. And this is how my hair looks like. My waves are super defined and it's super flat and slicked down really well. And so now onto the hair. I used this hair before in a bun video, and this is actually leftover hair that I had from when I did my goddess locks, and I bought hair from the Curl Refinery. I love this hair for my ponytails. It matches my natural hair so well. I'm going to go to my beauty supply and see if I can find something very similar, because this blends with natural hair so good. But it's like it comes in a package deal, so you can't really just kind of buy it on its own. But yeah, apply my ponytail, and now I'm just securing it with bobby pins and making sure that it's in place. And that is pretty much the final look. Like I said, this blends so well. People think this is my real hair all the time. Any of the clumps or curls that are kind of too stuck together, I'm just going to go in and separate it and fluff it out a little bit. But you don't even have to fluff it out. Sometimes it just kind of looks like you have like a braid out or a twist out or something. But yeah, I love this hair. It looks so natural. But yeah, that's it. Thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.